Welcome to our first tutorial on using JavaScript. JavaScript is nice in that it is a easy programming language to use, and it's one that you can either learn first or after Python. The choice is up to you. If you're someone who wants to focus more on web applications, JavaScript is a good language to learn. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we learn how to do in almost every programming language is learn how to print something to the console or to the screen. And so in Java, this is actually pretty easy. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to type in here console.log and then in quotations, hello world. It's usually what we type in first. And can't forget our semicolon at the end. And now when I run the code, I see hello world appears on the console. Now, what if I wanted to put 2 lines of code? I just write another console log statement and I put hello, my name is Alex. And when I run the code again, I get hello, my name is Alex. Now notice that in the first line, I use single quotations, and in the second line, I use double quotations. This is a personal choice. I personally prefer single quotations. I think it looks neater, but once again, that's a personal preference. However, that being said, there is a benefit to using double quotations. For example, if I were to write, for example, I don't know your name. So I have this apostrophe here and don't. But now if I try to do it with single quotations, I don't know your name, it thinks that this is the end of the string statement. So this is when a case in which using double quotations would be useful. Now let's say that I want to have a pop-up window. JavaScript is a web-based language and it comes built in to all your web browsers. So if you have Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, JavaScript is already installed in those web browsers, so you know how to, so it can load it on web pages. So for example, I can use a alert command and can say, hello, this is a pop-up window. And when I run the code, you can't see it, got cut off from the screen recording, but you see a pop-up appears and it says, hello, this is a pop-up window. Alright, but notice that it didn't log it to the console, and that's a distinct difference. And that is how we print things in JavaScript. One of the first things that we learn how to do.